TPA Benowo kita bekerja sama dengan DKP mulai tahun 2012 Oktober, bekerja sama dengan pemerintah kota memakai sistem kerjasama ini selama 20 tahun. TPA Benowo mempunyai luas 37,4 hektar.
The total area is 37.4 hectares.
What we do here is actually we're trying to change scrap into the things that we can have value added for the environment. So it is an honor for us that we can have a cooperation with Unilever, and I think that Unilever has done great things, to keep the environment safe and keep to improve on the idea and on the efforts that we can do to support the environmental. So we are looking forward to have the better cooperation in the future.
This is wonderful to see this community working together so well, saving the environment for Indonesia, for the world in fact. It's an incredible situation that you've got people working together. So I really think that you're doing a great job. We want to see so much more of it. We want to see the children also following the leads of the parents and doing the same in the future. So thank you for allowing us to come and visit.
Yeah, so look, today was really incredible. I mean, there's nothing like seeing for yourself the whole value chain of how waste gets from consumer homes all the way through a whole series of collection points, waste banks, then gets sorted, and how it gets recycled through the system, and how people can make value and get something from it every step of the way.
I think today has been really special to meet such members of the community. Mr. Harry here, and just see the sense of community. We can all learn something, and we can all learn something, and from Mr. Harry here, the sense of community and the pride people put into what they do and doing things so well. It's really a privilege to come here.
For today, my visiting, I have got a lot of the experience that I can adopt something from this village to adopt to you in Thailand. Also about, especially for the pouch and sachet, that in Thailand we have non-valuable of sachet that I heard from the leader of someone that how to make it happen. First one is that we have to work closely with the NGO and the leader of community, and how to communicate to the people to collect about sachet and pouch, and then make it the first one by our pilot area first, and then expand to the another. That's what I learned from this village and this visit for today.